Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of all. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 16, and its title is Self-Discipline. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 2A. We will learn about the use of can and may as a positive sentence and how we can show it into a negative sentence. So yes, my dear students, before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about the use of can, okay, in negative sentence and also in positive sentence. I hope you may remember it, this lecture, and if you may not, so you can watch this lecture again. So today we are going to learn further about these modal verbs. So what's our students learning outcomes today? Illustrate the use of can, cannot and may, may not. Okay, so today we are going to learn about this. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear fellow students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 13, O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you people and tribes that you may know one another. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that there is no discrimination in male or female or in tribes. Allah Almighty is clearly addressing in this verse that what's the reason was there that Allah Almighty have made us in male and female and tribes. Just for that we should be able to know each other, okay, except that nothing is there. Everyone is equal in front of Almighty Allah, okay. So we should also think in this way that everyone is equal in front of Almighty Allah, and this beautiful verse is explaining this idea clearly, okay. So see, there reading questions are there. How do you show the ability or inability of a subject? So how do you show ability and inability of a subject? Okay. Good. I hope now you have recalled and you have told to your teacher that how we can show ability or inability. Okay, let's see. So use of can. Can is used to show ability of subject, possibility, request, or to ask permission in present time, okay. This time, that is our present time, and we are discussing something, so then we want to inform about our ability or an other ability. So then we have to use which modal verb? We will use, my dear students, we will use can. And how we can use? When possibility that thing is going to be happen. This is possibility. And request, when we want, when we need something. So this is a request. And permission. Suppose we want to do something and we are getting permission, then also we can use can. How? See in these examples. Okay, I can write a sentence. Wow, it's my ability. Okay, it's my ability that I can write a sentence. So you can write a sentence. Good. See next. They can build a new wall. Wow. So it means they, group of people, group of students, group of people are there, so they can build a new wall. So they are able. Good. It's also ability. See there, next is there, can I cut the apple? Now what is this? This is request, okay. This sentence is showing request. Can I cut the apple? And next that, see, can I use your pen? Now this is showing permission. We are getting permission that can I use your pen? Okay, in this way we can use can to show ability or inability of a subject. So you subject is there, I, there also, they and I also, okay. So that's why this is the ability of these subjects. Okay, because always subject performs action and we are discussing the ability of subject. And in present time, we can use can. Keep remember, my dear students, use of cannot. Cannot is used to show inability of subject or impossibility in present time. Okay, same thing is there, my dear students. Just not will change the structure of a sentence and complete sense. When we add just not, a simple word is there and it can change the whole structure. Okay, means whole sense structure will remain same, just we have to add not. With can we will add not. See there examples. I cannot write a sentence. Wow. Oh, see there, before a while I can write a sentence, but now what happened to me that I cannot write a sentence? Now I am unable. Wow. So this not is showing inability. Have you got that? This not is showing inability. If we stuck off this not, so what will happen? Oh, so then I will be able to do it. Good. But now I cannot write a sentence. Oh, so see there. They cannot build a new wall. Oh, I am also not able. I cannot write a sentence and look them. They are not able to build a wall. Okay, they cannot. Same like they cannot build the wall. They are also unable. She cannot cut the tree. Okay, now this is prohibition. Okay, that we are rejecting the permission that she cannot cut the tree. Next, see there, Ali cannot ride a horse. It means it's also inability of Ali that he cannot ride a horse. It's clear now. You have got that, how we can show ability of a subject and how we can show inability of a subject. And inability, to show inability, just we have to add not, except the whole structure will remain same. Okay, with no change. See there, next is use of may. May is used to seek or give permission and for possibility. To seek or give permission. So keep remember, when we want to seek permission, we have to use may in the start of the sentence, and when we are giving permission, then we will use in the after subject. At once we will use. Okay, two things are there. When we want to seek permission or give permission, then what we will use? We use may. See there, examples. May I sit on this chair? So may I sit on this chair? So now have you got that? Now it means I am seeking permission. Same like that in your class also, habitual, you are also inquiring from your teacher while going outside. May I go outside? May I go to washroom? May I go to drink water, etc. We are using such type of sentences in daily routine in our class. So what are these? These are these things, my dear students. Okay, now you have got that. See next. You may go outside. Yes, now this is which sentence structure? Yes, now giving permission. May I go outside? You may go outside. So it means this is now we are giving permission and here we are seeking permission. Is it clear now? Next, possibility. It may rain today. Yes, this is the possibility. Means it's not confirmed, but it is possibility that it may rain today. Is it clear now? Have you got that? How we can use may to show possibility or to seek or give permission. Good students. So next, use of may not. May not is used to refuse permission or to show impossibility. Okay, same thing is there, just that anti is that when there is no possibility and when we don't want to give to permission to anyone, so then we refuse. Okay, how we refuse? We just add not with may. Okay, so see in examples. Yes, you may not go outside. Now this is rejection. Okay, now permission is rejected here, that may I go outside? You may not go outside. It's clear. See there, she may not eat anything in class. This is also that prohibition, and we are also refusing that and also giving instruction in that way that she may not eat anything in class. Okay, next see, it may not rain tomorrow. Now it is also refuse of impossibility. This sentence is showing impossibility, okay, that it may not rain tomorrow, it may rain tomorrow, it may not rain tomorrow. So it's possible. Both situations can be possible because it's about, we are talking about tomorrow. We don't know that what is going to be happen tomorrow. Okay, my dear students. He may not come in Rome. Yes. Now have you got, my dear students, how we can seek permission and how we can reject our permission? If we want that we should not give permission to do that, so then how we can reject our permission? Just we have to add not. Have you got? Good job. So let's perform towards an activity. So be ready. Yes, my dear teachers, make different groups of students in your class. Each group will discuss what each can do and what cannot do. Also share reason, engage whole class and enjoy the game. How? So you will make different groups. So and each group will discuss what they can do, means they will tell their ability, and what they cannot do means they will share their inabilities. Okay, so engage whole class in this activity, pause the video and perform this activity in your class and come back. Welcome back and excellent job. Now I can guess that now you have got that how we can use can, cannot, may, may not. Okay, good job. So see there is an individual activity on your book, page number 130 and 129. There is question number 5 and question number 7 is there. So you have to do this question on your book. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and get this question on their book and then come back. Oh, welcome back and good job. I hope now you have checked that how students can do to perform this activity and in which manner. Good students. Now what's our homework? Write question number 6 given on book page number 129 in your notebooks. There is a question number 6, my dear students, on your book mentioned there. So you can see from there. So this question you will write in your notebooks. Yes, my dear teachers, this worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form, and they will fill in can or may in the boxes. Okay, they will judge and they will fill the boxes. So what we have learned today? Today we learned to use can, cannot and may, may not in different situations in their positive and negative forms. In this way we have covered up our SLO. Illustrate the use of can, cannot and may, may not. So yes, great job. We have done it. So we have covered up our SLO, and also especially we got that how we can discuss in which way, in which manner we can discuss our abilities and our inabilities. Okay, everyone is not able. Okay, be positive, my dear students, but you have to be confident if while sharing your abilities or inabilities. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture, see you soon inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.